Gupta age, post-Guptas. Question 1. With reference to Prayag Prashasti, the most important historical document of the classical Gupta age, consider the following statements. 1. It is an inscription composed by Samudragupta himself to depict his political and military achievements. 2. It is written in the Kharoshthi script. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. 1. Charka, his work called Brihad Jathaka, is a remarkable work on astrology. 2. Varhamihira, he wrote Abhijna Shakunthalam, a remarkable play. 3. Amrasimha, he is considered to be the father of Ayurveda. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. Question 3. In context of the Gupta period societal conditions, consider the following statements. 1. As compared to the pre-Gupta period, the caste system had become rigid during the Gupta period. 2. The progress of Brahmanism led to the neglect of Buddhism and Jainism. 3. The position of women had also become miserable during the Gupta period. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. With the reference of Satavahanas, consider the following statements given below. 1. The inscription of Naneghat mentions the Satavahanas. 2. They patronized only Brahmanism and were intolerant to other religions. 3. Trade and commerce declined during their rule. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 5. Aihole inscription is related to defeat of which of the following rulers? A. Chandragupta II. B. Harshavardhana. C. Kumar Gupta. D. Samudragupta. Question 6. Which one of the following statements is most appropriate regarding the Gupta Empire? A. The Kushans were immediately succeeded by the Gupta Empire. B. Use of elephants and horse chariots was highly popular and important during the Gupta Empire. C. Gupta rule was primarily dominant in the present-day state of Madhya Pradesh. D. Saketa in Uttar Pradesh was one of their important centers. Question 7. In the context of Gupta Empire, consider the following statements. 1. Intercaste marriage was not supported by the Gupta rulers. 2. The reign of Samudragupta marked the beginning of the Gupta era. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. Consider the following statements with reference to Chandragupta Maurya. 1. He was the first king in Indian history who has left his records engraved on stones. 2. He was called a Sandracotus by Greek scholars. 3. Megasthenes visited India during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All the above. Question 9. Consider the following pairs with reference to the Mauryan Empire. Administration. Samaharta Chief Revenue Collector Sannidhata Chief Treasury Officer Navadhyaksha Superintendent of Ships Sitadhyaksha Superintendent of the Market. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only 3 pairs. B. Only 4 pairs. C. Only 2 pairs. D. All the pairs. Question 10. With reference to Indian history, consider the following statements. 1. Vishakdatta, the author of Mudra Rakshasa, was in the court of Ashoka. 2. Megasthenes, a Greek ambassador, sent by Seleucus to the court of Chandragupta Maurya. 3. The Maurya Empire was finally destroyed by Pushyamitra Shunga. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding Ashoka. 1. Ashoka completely prohibited the slaughter of animals in the capital Patliputra. 2. He interdicted gay social functions in which people indulged in revelries. 3. He furthered the unification of the county by one dharma and one language. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 12. Consider the following statements about Fuexin and Xuanzang. 1. Fuexin visited India during the reign of Gupta king Chandragupta II, whereas Xuanzang visited India during the reign of Pallava king Narasimha Varman. 2. Both of them came from Central Asia and returned the same way. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 13. Consider the following pairs of inscriptions and their descriptions. Inscription association. 1. Junagadh inscription Rudradman I2. Hathi Gumfa inscription Chandragupta I3. Nasik inscription Gautamiputra Shatkarni. 4. Aihole inscription Pulkesin II. Which of the pairs given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 14. With reference to ancient history of India, consider the following pairs. 1. Virukkal memorial stones. 2. Muziris, an important port under Cholas. 3. Kumarmatya, high-level officer under Gupta administration. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.